Hey Guitar Champion, what's going on? Justin Hombach here, back from my practice cave, back from tour, and today I have a post-tour lick for you, which is really awesome to work on your picking control. Let's check out the lick. Here we go. Okay, before I'm going to explain the lick, let me tell you the little story how I came up with this lick. I was on tour, on a European tour for the last 2 weeks as an opener for Ectomorph, as a substitute guitar player for the band Corbion. And another band that was also opening for Ectomorph on this tour was a band called Nox Sinister. Let me tell you something about these guys. I totally fell in love with them. After the first gig, I totally fell in love with their music. It's 80s thrash, a little bit progressive, a little bit true metal. They're really living the shit out of metal there with a mask. One guitar player has a mask on. Yeah, the vocalist is drinking blood and is reading out of a book, and all the music is about Shakespeare, and it's really awesome. And these guys have this really young guitar player called Eric Garcia, or as we like to call him, Eric Naptime Garcia, because he was sleepy all the day. But where he was not sleepy was in his guitar playing. And in one of his solos he had this really incredible kind of whole tone lick in 7/8, and I was going to Eric after a few shows and I'm saying, dude, you have to show me this lick. He showed it to me. I took this lick and changed it into the A minor scale, so it's a little bit more kind of a use in our normal kind of scale situation. And I realized, man, this is a really good exercise for your picking control, because this lick is in 7/8, which means through the nature of this uneven number of note grouping, that when we are playing it straight with alternate picking, our pick direction changes every time when we are repeating the sequence. So we are first starting with a downstroke, then we're starting with an upstroke, and so on. And therefore it gives a lot of interesting situations for our picking hand, because we have string skipping in it. We then have one time inside picking, one time outside picking, and we are taking aware of a lot of things that is really important for our pick control. So I highly recommend to you guys, if you want to work on your pick control, check out this lick. Alright, so much for a little story. Shout out to my boys from Nox Sinisters. Go check out their Facebook and Instagram. Oh, I love these guys. And also check out Ectomorph and the other opener band, which is called System Health 33. Really awesome guys. I had a lot of fun touring with these guys, being on tour for 2 weeks, spending the time together with 25 guys in the bus, in the nightliner. It was really awesome. Thank you for the tour experience. And now let's check out the lick. Here we go. If you want to have the free tabs for this lick, then check out the link in the description box. There you can download them. And if you want to learn more about pick control on speed picking, then check out the Den of Speed Picking, my online course about speed picking. Alright, here we go. So we're starting off on the 20th fret on the E string, the minor third of A, C. Then we're jumping, string skipping to the G string. And first we're starting off with the downstroke and then upstroke. And as I've said in the beginning, it's really important to stay with our picking movement, that we have alternate picking through and through. Never play 2 down or 2 upstrokes twice or in a row. Always try to focus on the consistency of your alternate picking, because only then this exercise is really helpful for your picking control. Okay, so again, 20th fret, jumping to the G string, 19 with our ring finger, and 17 with our index finger. Then we are playing the 9th of A minor, which is the B on the 19th fret. And then we're playing descending the A minor scale, starting on the G, F and E. And this is our 7-note phrase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we are just basically go through the scale, through the A minor scale. So the next shape goes like this. And here the interesting thing is, we here are starting with an upstroke, because through the nature of the uneven number of notes in this kind of sequence, we are always changing, or we are always starting with a different stroke stroke direction. God damn it, it's way too early right now. It's kind of 4 a.m. here in Germany. Alright. Going to the next shape. Next shape. Next shape. Sorry. And the last shape. Sorry again. I'm adding some harmonic minor, the G sharp, which resolves back to A. So this is basically it. So from the sequence, it's basically it. It's pretty simple. You will get used to it really quickly, but it's really effective for our picking control, for the string skipping, starting with a different pick stroke direction and all this kind of stuff. Alright, and that's for this week's lick, my post-tour lick. I hope I'm going to see you in my next video. Cheers so far and stay progress. Bye.